Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we are kind of top of range as far as I'm concerned. Remember, there are two tops here. So this is the first one at 15,800, and then we have this one at 1,600, basically, or 16,031. At the moment on the daily, we had a nice strong move, then sideways, and it looks like we've had a fairly decent break of a range. Now, that range, just to readjust this, is going to be something like that. So you can see strong move up sideways, and then we broke through yesterday, and then just sort of forming a bit of a flag. Not too keen on what's going on here. We've got some diversions, and we've also got a grouping of the oscillators. So that would indicate to me we're a little bit overbought. So patience is key. Wait for structure, wait for the pullback, and then look for the opportunity. So looking at the hour is what we want to be paying attention to. Let's just get this a little bit more realistic. So 15,969, that is the area we need to pay attention to. If we can hold that, we're looking for a move up. Bear in mind, we do have a gap here. Now, this gap closed on the US markets, did not close on the DAX, and this is a yearly gap. It is a monthly gap. It is a weekly gap. It is a daily gap. It is pretty important. Okay, so could be a breakaway gap, but it could also attract the bears at the moment. So just pay attention to that. Yes, we've broken this range. I would want to see us come back and test the range at 15,969. If that fails, then I definitely be paying attention to this gap and not really move until that gap closes, and then look for the opportunity for a move back to the upside. Trend is up at the moment. We're looking for opportunities to buy. The question is where do we buy from? So that's kind of my view at the moment. Not looking to buy up here. We'll pay attention to 15,969 for an opportunity to buy, and I will definitely pay attention to 15,916, 15,900, and most definitely this gap is on my radar. I suspect that is going to close sometime, whether it's today, tomorrow, this week, next week, or somewhere later in the year, but that's definitely going to act as a magnet somewhere along the line. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment, waiting for structure, waiting for the pullback. Your stop area at the moment, unfortunately, is below 15,800 because of the volatility. Well, not volatility, but because of the magnets you've got to the downside. So it's pointless trying to put a trade in here with a tight stop loss. You more than likely probably get triggered. So you need to wait for those magnets to be taken out and dealt with, and then you can actually get the structure going for the moves to the upside. So that's just kind of my kind of view at the moment. So kind of sit on hands and wait for something decent. If we do start seeing something here on the 15-minute, well worth taking the trade if it's early in the session with a really tight stop, and then take profit as early as possible. Bank, anything over 100 points is a decent trade for me. So bank it and then move on. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.